Hello and welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a while since I last filmed a video for you guys, so I said let me go ahead and quickly sit down and film like a simple look. So I did went ahead and I filmed this look right here. It's a red hollow eye. I did went ahead and just recorded one eye and did the rest of my face with you guys. The other eye I quickly did it off camera just so that this video wouldn't be as long. And then again, it is somewhat of a simple hollow eye, so I really hope it is as simple as I think it was.
We touch, we break, make it seem like we feel the same. We love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't wire it up.
I'm gonna go ahead and use this Morphe brush to go ahead and blend the concealer in.
Oh, it doesn't grow, give up, let it go. Well, we fell apart just in time.
Okay, now that we went ahead and blended our concealer well, we're gonna go ahead and dig into the shadows. For eyeshadow today, I don't know what look I'm gonna be going for, but we are gonna be using the James Charles palette as well as the Jaclyn Hill palette. Maybe, just maybe, I'm not sure yet. I might just use the one palette, but we'll see right now. Okay, so for shadows we're gonna be using reds actually. So we're gonna be using this color right here, and it's You're Kidding. And I'm gonna go ahead and wet my brush before I do so.
You say at least
I'm gonna try to like do a hollow eye, but let's see how that goes. Okay, so I went ahead and I packed on that red. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and blend. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and blend the outer edges out.
it was worth a try.
Now we're gonna go ahead and cut our crease, so we can go ahead and try to create a hollow look. Okay, so I went ahead and cut my crease to where I want to do the hollow. I had to go ahead and do it off camera just because it takes me kind of a while. So now let's just go ahead and fill in where we cut our crease, and then just start putting a shimmery color. I'm gonna go in with, I'm gonna try to mix this color right here with this one right here. And this is color, let me see, we're gonna use the color Sister and Literally for the hollow. We're gonna go ahead and go in with this brush instead, and this is a crown brush. It is the C510, and I'm gonna wet it a little bit. I'm gonna go into that color Sister, and I'm gonna just pack it on here.
At least it was worth a try.
So now that I've went ahead and packed on the shimmer colors, I'm gonna go ahead and shade in some red, and add more red on top of that crease.
I drive from your place, miss your lips, but I hate the taste. No fun in this game.
So we're gonna go ahead and use this brush, which is the same one we've been using for blending, and it is the Crown C511.
I will call our bluff, cause using bodies isn't good enough. Slow down, this ain't love.
Okay, so for lashes today we're gonna be using these lashes. I'm gonna be using these right here, and you could get these at your local beauty supply, which that's what I did. So to apply these lashes, I'm gonna be using this glue right here, and this is from Kiss, and it was sent to me in my influencer box. And I do use some tweezers as well to apply the lashes. So let me go ahead and quickly apply my lash, and I'll be right back. So I went ahead and applied my lash. This is what it looks like close. Now we're gonna go ahead and apply our highlighter on our brow bone. I usually use this brush right here, and this is the Crown C515 brush. We're gonna go ahead and go into the color Ring Light, and that's this color right here. This one.
Well, we fell apart just in time.
Now we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing to this other eye. Okay, so now that we're done with our eyes, we're just gonna go ahead and move on to the rest of our face. For foundation, I'm gonna be using the 24-hour Superstay from Maybelline, and it looks something like this. I'm just gonna go ahead and like squirt it on my hand, and I'm gonna go ahead and be using my Juno Beauty Blender, and I'm just gonna go ahead and dab it on there.
Ooh, you say at least it was worth a try.
So I went ahead and quickly blended my foundation and applied my concealer, and we went ahead and used the Tarte Shape Tape, and in this one I am light neutral, and it's this one right here. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use the same beauty blender, just the opposite side. So I'm gonna damp it a little bit.
At least it was worth a try.
Next, let's go ahead and quickly bake, and for that we're going to be using the J-Cat Beauty. It's a banana powder. It's pretty much like a dupe for the Ben Nye, but that one is definitely better than this one. So I'm just going to go ahead and like set my under eye just so that it won't crease while I contour my face.
At least it was worth a try.
For contour, I'm actually using the Bahama Mama bronzer. Okay, so I'm done contouring my face. I went ahead and finished setting my face as well. Now we're just gonna go ahead and dust off the rest of the product from our face.
We keep playing games, can't go separate ways.
I'm gonna go ahead and switch to a smaller brush to do my under eye.
Wake up all the same. We keep playing.
And then once we're done blending, we're gonna go ahead and apply our blush and our highlighter. For blush, I'm gonna be using this little brush right here.
Games can't go separate ways. Break up all the.
So I went ahead and I applied some of that same red to my lower lash line, and then I as well applied some mascara. And I'm gonna go ahead and quickly apply some white liner to my waterline. And then we're gonna go ahead and apply some highlighter. So for highlighter, we're gonna be using the Anastasia Glow Kit. And we're gonna go ahead and dip into Tourmaline and Moonstone.
Well, we fell apart just in time. Ooh, you say at least it was worth the try.
Now let's go ahead and quickly set our face. On my lips, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some lip gloss, and this is Neat Freak from ColourPop.
At least it was worth.
So this is the final look. What do you guys think? Let me know down below if you guys liked it. Leave me any comments you guys may have down below as well.
At least it was worth the try.
And if you did like this video, please make sure to like it, subscribe, and I'll go ahead and see you guys in my next video.